All right, hi everybody. Welcome to the second week of Module 2. Today we're going to be looking at the material from the activities, the worksheet activities that you went through. Hopefully those worked and made sense. Ideally, actually don't watch this video until you've completed them on your own. You can always get the answers at some point, but it really helps you to uh, get that knowledge and to really keep it and to be able to use it if you can figure it out on your own before just listening to me tell you the answers. So let's let's go through. I'm not going to go through every single answer, but if you have a question on one in particular or something you weren't quite sure of, or if you notice you're getting a bunch of them wrong as I'm saying them, if you're following along live, then just please ask in the chat or in Discord and say, I didn't get that one at all. Can you go through that again? Because I want to make sure you all understand all this stuff before the quiz, which will evaluate you on this. So, all right. So this first one, we're just going to write formulas. And this is really just to connect the idea of a molecular formula with a molecular structure. So we can see here we've got two of these big dark atoms, which correspond to carbon. Then we've got one lighter one, which is oxygen, and then all these little hydrogen atoms around there. So we just count those up, and we get C2H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O. When there's just one, we generally don't put the subscript for that number. All right. Now, I often get a question, what about the order? Does it matter if you put carbon first or hydrogen, or like, why did I put C then H then O as opposed to another way of doing that? And the answer is that it doesn't really matter. The convention is to go C, H, O, and then everything else. That's just like the pattern that people do, but it's not wrong if you put the H first, or switch them around. However, is fine. All right. So then this next one was going to be 5 C's, so C5, and then there's no oxygens here. We see 2 hydrogens up there, and are we back? I'm just sending a message to you all on Discord. It seems to be kind of cutting in and out here. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it holds up. Otherwise, we'll try again in the morning. Not looking good. Okay. Well, I guess are we back for now? All right. Well, we'll try a little bit more. If it cuts out again, yeah, there it goes again. All right, so you can see this one. I think this is pretty straightforward. So we've got like B would be 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygen, and so on. The only thing that can get a little tricky here is if you have these parentheses, just so that you know what those mean. If you have a parentheses with then a 2 there, that means you have 2 of those. So this is going to be 1 magnesium atom, 2 oxygen atoms, and 2 hydrogen atoms. There it goes again.